Guess I did see it coming. Made it look easy, we barely even had to try. Got around town till the morning. Living the breeze as we stare at passing satellites. Told me to take
Okay, so here's the llama, and
but it's not even an option. You fake everything.
MtUncleDistillery, Unparalleled and myself decided that we're going to come up here for Father's Day and try some gins. Never too early to start drinking.
Yeah, so you've got the choice of a 6 or a 4 and do you like your tequila, your agave? Like 200 Christmas coins.
That's awesome.
For about 3 months and let it sit.
Yeah, all that fruit. Generally with tasting, so we're tasting spirit, so I want to clean my mouth out. The water gives you a fresh palate. So this is the agave, which is the tequila plant, but you can't call it tequila in Australia, it's not from Mexico. So you have a smell, close your eyes and it's like, where does it take you? What can you smell? You know, does it remind you of a birthday or Christmas or a family gathering? Take a sip. You hold it just under your tongue here. That's where it evaporates. You breathe it in. It's got a high alcohol content. It's not one of my favourites. It doesn't have a lot of flavour, but it's a nice subtle tequila. This one is one of the more famous gins up here, and it's called Davison Plum, which is a native bush tucker plum, and it's only a new discovery for us. The Aboriginals have been eating these for years and years and years, and it's beautifully, syrupy, sweet and delicious. That's the smell. So Gin and Wines, it's a different distillation process. So gin is made with juniper berries, whereas wines you've got your barley and yeast and malt and things like that. And they're different alcohol contents. So spirits have these are 47 to 57% alcohol, whereas your wines are around about 10%. So spirits is still it's pure alcohol. They add their flavours. And they're using raspberries, vanilla pods from the Daintree, so it's all local. It smells really good. It's very light. It's not overly sweet. And it tastes like a marshmallow. They got it right. Cheers.